Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 12.3 from the textbook of CBSE Board NCERT Mathematics of grade 6. And this is the last exercise from this textbook. Okay. So let's solve exercise 12.3. Here this is the first question. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth is rupees 1470, find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Now here listen carefully. Here they have told us the cost of 7 meter of cloth and they have asked us to find out the cost of 5 meter of cloth. Okay. So in such situations what we have to do, we have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth first. And then we can multiply that cost with 5 to get the cost of 5 meter of cloth. Okay. So this type of method is called as unitary method. Okay, here we are going to use the method known as unitary method. The method in which first we find the value of 1 unit. Okay, just I told you na, we have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth first. And then we can find out the cost of 5 meter of cloth. So same here they are telling as the method in which first we find the value of 1 unit and then the value of required number of units is known as unitary method. Okay, just remember this and just try to solve this exercise. I'll explain it. Okay, so first of all we will write the given things here. What is given? Given is what? The cost of 7 meter of cloth, that is rupees 1470. Now we have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. How we can find out? By dividing by dividing them rupees 1470 by 7. Okay, so here 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7 and 7 zeros are 0. So I got the answer as 210, that is the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Okay, now we can find out the cost of 5 meter of cloth by multiplying 210 to 5. Okay, so here 210 into 5 gives us the answer as 1050, which is the cost of 5 meter of cloth. Okay, it's very easy, just you have to solve it carefully. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that is second one. Ekta earns rupees 3000 in 10 days. How much will she earn in 30 days? Okay, same method you have to use here. See here, they have given us the Ekta earns rupees 3000 in 10 days. Okay, given is what? Ekta earns rupees 3000 in 10 days. Now we have to find out how much she will earn in 1 day. First of all, we have to find out for 1 day. Okay, Ekta earns in 1 day is equal to 3000 upon 10. So 0 got cut and we got the answer as 300, which is her earning for 1 day. Okay, now to find out how much she will earn in 30 days, we have to multiply this 300 with 30. So 300 into 30 gives us the answer as 9000, which is the answer for this question. That is, Ekta earns in 30 days is rupees 9000. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is third one. If it has rained 276 millimeter in the last 3 days, how many centimeter of rain will fall in 1 full week? That is for 7 days. Assume that the rain continues to fall at the same rate. Now here you have to remember that we can use this unitary method if the rate of the changes should be same. Okay, now here the rain continues to fall at the same rate, that's why we can use here the unitary method. Okay, so first of all we will write the given things. Given is what? In 3 days it rains for 276 millimeter. That's why in 1 day it rains 276 upon 3. That we can find out by cutting 3 ones are 3, 3 9s are 27 and 3 2s are 6. So we got the answer as 92. Okay, means in 1 day it rains is equal to 92 millimeter. Okay, now For full week we have to find. Full week means for 7 days. So therefore the rain will fall in one full week is equal to 92 into 7, which is equal to 644 millimeter. But they have asked us in centimeter. So we all know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Means 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. That's why 644 millimeter is equal to 644 upon 10 centimeter, which is equal to 64.4 centimeter. Therefore, the answer for this question is the 64.4 centimeter of rain will fall in one full week. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is fourth one. Cost of 5 kg of wheat is rupees 91.50. What will be the cost of 8 kg of wheat? And what quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 183? Okay, first of all we will solve for A. The given is what? Cost of 5 kg of wheat is rupees 91.50 and we have to find for 8 kg. So first we will find for 1 kg. The cost of 1 kg of wheat can be found out by dividing 91.50 by 5. Now here 91.50 is in decimal point. So I'll move this decimal point towards right side by 2 digits. That's why I have to give 2 zeros to the denominator. So the number becomes 9150 upon 500. Okay. Now here 0 got cut. Now 5 tens are 50. 5 ones are 5, 4 remain. 5 8s are 40. Again 1 remain. And now 5 3s are 15. So I got the answer as 183 upon 10, which is equal to 18.3. Therefore, the cost of 1 kg of wheat is equal to rupees 18.3. Okay. Now we have to find for 8 kg. Therefore, the cost of 8 kg of wheat is equal to rupees 18.3 into 8, which can be found out by multiplying. First of all, we have to forgot about that decimal point and just we have to multiply like a simple multiplication. So here 8 3 sum 24 to carry. 8 8s are 64 plus 2 is 66. Now 8 ones are 8 plus 6 is 40. So I got the answer as 1464. But we had decimal point before 1 digit. So we have to give here decimal point before 1 digit. That is the answer is rupees 146.4 is the cost of 8 kg wheat. Okay. Now we have to find what quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 183. Okay. So for this, I'll give you one method. See here. We all know that in rupees 18.3, we can purchase 1 kg of wheat. So we have to find out in rupees 183 how much kg of wheat can be purchased. Okay. So we have to write in like this way in 2 parts. Okay. Now we have to think that these are 2 parts and we have to write them in a fraction like CM. This is one type of fraction. This number we have to write in numerator and this number we have to write in denominator. But here there is no number, so we will write instead of a number we will write 1. Okay, so this becomes 1 upon 1. Now we have to put a multiplication sign and this is also one part just I told you, but here we have to do it reverse, like this second part should be written up in the numerator and this the above part we have to write in a denominator. That means 183 upon 18.3 like this way. Okay, means this part we have to write as it is and this part we have to write it as a reverse. Okay, so this 18.3 is in the denominator. We will move this decimal point towards right side by 1 digit, so we will give 10 to the numerator. Okay, so this became 1830 upon 183. Okay, now this 1 upon 1 is 1 only, so I didn't write it. Okay, now here 183 is there and above 1830. So we can directly cut by 183 ones are 183 and 183 tens are 1830. So I got the answer as 10. Therefore, in rupees 183 we get 10 kg of wheat. Okay. So this is the answer for B. Now let's move to the next question, that is fifth one. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days if the rate of temperature drop remains the same. So here the rate is remaining same. So how many degrees will be temperature drop in the next 10 days? Okay. So first of all we will write the given things, that is the temperature dropped in 30 days is 15 degrees centigrade. So for one day we can find out by dividing 15 by 30. So here 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30, which is equal to 1 upon 2 can be written as 0.5 degrees centigrade. Okay, in one day the temperature dropped by 0.5 degrees centigrade. Now we have to find for next 10 days. So we have to multiply 0.5 by 10. So here I'll forgot this decimal point and directly I multiply 10 5s are 50. I got the answer. Now I have to put this decimal point before one digit, then this becomes 5.0 degrees centigrade. That means the temperature dropped in 10 days is equal to 5 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is sixth one. Shaina pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains the same? Okay. So first of all we will write the given things, that is Shaina pays rent for 3 months is rupees 15,000. That means she pay for 1 month is by dividing 15,000 by 3. Okay. So here 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. That means 5,000. She pays rent for 1 month is rupees 5,000. Okay. Now we have to find it for the whole year. Whole year is equal to 12 months. So we will multiply this 5,000 by 12. I got the answer as 60,000. So Shaina has to pay rent for 1 year is rupees 60,000. Okay. Now the question number 7. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 180. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90? Okay. So first of all we will write the given things, that is cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 180. Therefore the cost of 1 dozen bananas is equal to 180 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. 2 remains, 4 5s are 20. Therefore 45 is the answer. Therefore the cost of 1 dozen bananas is rupees 45. Okay. Now they have asked us how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90, and we all know that 45 twos are 90. So as for 1 dozen banana we are paying 45 rupees. So for 2 dozen bananas we have to pay 90 rupees, right? Therefore 2 dozen bananas can be purchased for rupees 90. Okay. Now 8th question. The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books? Okay. So first of all we will write the given things, that is weight of 72 books is 9 kg. Okay. Therefore the weight of one book is 9 upon 72. First of all we will convert this kg to gram. As you all know 1 kg is 1000 gram. Therefore 9 kg can be 9000 gram. Therefore this fraction becomes 9000 upon 72. Now we will cut it by 9. 9 8s are 72 and 9000s are 9000. Okay. Now again we can cut it by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 2 remain. 8 twos are 16. 4 remain. And 8 5s are 40. So I got the answer as 125, which is in gram. Okay. Therefore the weight of one book is 125 gram. Okay. Now we have to find the weight of 40 such books. So I have to multiply this 125 with 40 to get the answer, and I got the answer as 5000 gram, which can be equal to 5 kg. Therefore, the weight of 40 such books is rupees 5 kg. Now let's move to the next question, that is ninth one. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers? Okay. So first of all, we will write the given things, that is the diesel required for covering distance 594 kilometer is 108 liter. Okay. So first of all, we will find it for 1 kilometer. That we can find out by dividing 108 upon 594. Okay. So let's cut it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain. 2 9s are 18, 1 remain. 2 7s are 14. Now here 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So I got the answer as 54 upon 297, which can be further divided by 9 3s are 27, 2 remain. 9 3s are 27, and here 9 6s are 54, which can be again further divided by 3 11s are 33, and 3 2s are 6. So finally I got the answer as 2 upon 11. Okay. So the diesel required for covering a distance of 1 kilometer is 2 upon 11 liter. Okay. Now, how much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 km? That can be found out by multiplying 1650 into 2 upon 11. Okay. So, I'll cut it by 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11 again, 5 remain. 11 5s are 55, and 11 zeros are 0. So 2 into 150 gives us the answer as 300 liter. That means diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometer is equal to 300 liter. Okay. So the next question is 10th one. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Okay. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? Okay. First of all, we will solve for Raju. Okay. So, cost of 10 pens for Raju is rupees 150. Therefore, the cost of 1 pen is equal to 150 upon 10, which is equal to 15 rupees. Okay. So the cost of 1 pen is rupees 15. Okay. Raju purchases 1 pen for rupees 15. Now for Manish we will solve. Manish, the cost of 7 pens is rupees 84 for Manish. Okay. So for cost of 1 pen is equal to 84 upon 7. 7 ones are 7, and 7 ones are 7, 1 remains, 7 twos are 14. So 12 rupees. That means Manish purchases 1 pen for rupees 12. Now when you compare 15 and 12, we understood that Manish got the pens cheaper. Okay. Now the next question, that is 11th one. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? Okay. So here, first of all, we will solve for Anish. Okay. In 6 overs, Anish made 42 runs. Okay, 42 runs he made in 6 overs. So in 1 over, we can find out by dividing 42 by 6. So 6 ones are 6 here, and 6 sevens are 42. So in 1 over, he made 7 runs. Okay. Now for Anup in 7 overs he made 63 runs. That means in 1 over he made 63 upon 7, that is 7 ones are 7 and 7 nines are 63, which is equal to 9. Therefore Anup made 9 runs in 1 over. Now when you compare 7 and 9, we understood that Anup made more runs per over. Okay. So here the exercise ends. If you like my teaching, then please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Bye everyone.